Introducing Motorola Moto G9 Plus with a new attractive design and more advanced features. The next generation smartphone, moving fingerprint scanner from the back to the front, coming with a revolutionary on-screen sensor using ultrasonic pulses. The smartphone Moto G9 Plus will certified IP68 dust water resistant. Super AMOLED touchscreen. 6.5 inches display and 120 Hz touch sensing. X55 5G modem connectivity. Resolution 1080 by 2280 pixels and 19 by 9 aspect ratio. Operating system Android 11. Processor Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 and Adreno latest version. 10 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. (64 megapixels quad rear camera, LED flash. (32 megapixel front dual selfie camera. (3.5 mm audio jack and USB 3.0 Type-C. In-display fingerprint scanner. Fast battery charging 25 watts and 5000 mAh battery. Motorola Moto G9 Plus. Say hello in 2020.